How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Circle Carbine work lights. So we offer these units in our Floodlight optics or our hybrid optics, and you'll see that you get your included mounting bracket here that I went ahead and pre-attached, and then you'll see your cables here going to your positive and negative connections. And then on both of these units, you'll have 7 3-watt LEDs pushing 1,540 lumens. So let's go ahead and turn these units on and go over the optics. So here we have our Floodlight model, where you'll see it's all Floodlight optics giving you that wide spread off of your unit. And here is our hybrid model, where you have Floodlight optics on the outsides of your unit, and then you'll have Spotlight optics with that more focused beam in the inside of your unit. When it comes to wiring your Carbine, we offer our optional on-off switch here, which is a standard on-off toggle switch, or we offer our wireless relay here. And with our wireless relay, you'll also get your on-off switch, and then you'll get your wireless remote. Now with your wireless remote, you have your on-off buttons here, and then you do have a couple flash patterns you can activate off of your wireless remote switch here. So that covers our Circle Carbine work lights. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.